Hey folks, how's it going there? How's it fucking going, Patrick? I'm just gonna have a quick fly on my way home. If I can, nobody come shouting at me, screaming. I'm not supposed to fly there, I'm not supposed to there. The world's getting so sad. Absolutely fucking pear-shaped, if you ask me. Where's your phone, Bob? In your fucking pocket, mate. I think we need a glare on as well. Oh, there's a shadow over there, we can go over there. We want to tell you what's happening. Not a lot. Nothing I can't control. We all have good days, we all have bad days. I'm having some really bad days, so you know, I don't want to go into it. I'm here to fly. Turn that on, turn that on. Something went bleep baboo baboo. Let's just make sure I'm connected. You are not connected to fuck all. Why? Probably because it's not on Rob. I get that mistake every fucking time. Come on, wobble. There you go. See it wobbling. Balabalooch. And let's get out there and do a little dance. Right, it's hovering. So there you go, I'm 400 foot up there, looking down on the wonderful new port. I'll try and swing around slow. Whoa, that's windy. See, there's some lakes over there. That's over there. Don't know where that is. Oh right, it says landing. I was going to land, see, it's for some reason it switches on landing, and if you don't keep a fucking eye on it, it's going to be landing, isn't it? There's a fucking tree behind me. That wind is actually nearly spinning me around. And my phone just froze out. Let's come down a bit. I can't see it, I don't know where the fuck it is. Nowhere near that windmill, so it's there somewhere. I do like to see it occasionally. I mean, that's ended not foot off the floor, so I would have thought I would have saw that by now. Let's send it back home here. I can't see it, man. I don't like that. There it is, right, I can see you fucker. I can hear them windmills for you, I don't know if you can hear them, but they're pretty. So I don't want to go too close to them because you just don't know the power of the power like power. The suction. I just crashed in a fucking bush. Fucking 100 miles away. Fucking fuck. I just haven't got my brain. My brain is elsewhere. Fucking. Fucking find a drone now. Oh shit. Right. Just to show you folks how fucking stupid I am today. Anyway, it's in there. I gotta get in there and fucking climb up there. Fuck it. It's your fault. All into there. So here I go. Don't eat my fucking bag, you bastards. Right above me. So, I'll do some of this. And I gotta climb up there. Most of this is dead stuff. No, that's pretty good. Let's see if I can get up here. Don't do this at home, folks. Right. Get some wood out of my ear. And the camera there again. One drone, no damage. Fuck. One drone, no damage. My fucking. I'm gonna crawl out here now. I gotta get through that hole there. The drone is out. Come on, big boy. The fuckers are still waiting for me. Christ is done. I'm done. As you can see, I'm as good as fucked. I'm gonna walk straight across the field. Fuck these fucking cows. They can fuck off. It happens, and it just so happened to me today. Always one tough nut, innit? You, fuck off from me. And you see I want to sulk in peace. I thought I was a bit higher than that. I was going to stop before I got to the pylon, for obvious reasons, but the bush come first. Miscalculation. In the bush I went. But you know, as long as you get it back, like you got a fighting chance, I suppose. You got fucking something to say? Fucking piss take me, you fucker. Are they following me? You know, fuck, I want to come on with me. This is the last place you fucking go if you do, mate. Give me on the kitchen fucking table. Thing is, they was bulls, they're not fucking cows, you know. I don't want to fuck with no bull. They're young, they're too stupid yet. But when they start getting their bottle, they'll start coming a lot fucking closer. Fucking hell. I am fucking and fuck in the nicest possible way. See, it's a long fucking walk, but it adds to the warnings. You can't say excitement, I'll just say warnings. Let's know what you're fucking doing in the first place, because I fucking don't. As I said, my brain hasn't been anywhere years, so my brain has been dropped off a planet somewhere.